showdown over Ambedkar. Like we've been telling you, the Bharatiya Janata Party is holding a protest both inside Parliament, and they've also planned multiple protests across the capital. The BJP is calling this protest Congress Maafi Mango. That's how the Bharatiya Janata Party is escalating the attack on the Congress party when it comes to the Ambedkar showdown. Going back to Pragya, who's joining us live. Pragya, Congress Maafi Mango, that's how the BJP is planning to corner the Congress party with its protest and also a sharp strategy in Parliament. What's the latest?
You're absolutely right, and this is even in fact the Congress never thought that BJP would come. These are the government MPs and also the BJP MPs in that who sits in the treasury benches, and this is a very rare sight that we see in the Parliament. We have been covering Parliament for so many years, but having treasury benches MPs coming out to protest is a very rare sight, and this is exactly what BJP did. Before the Congress could start its own protest, they came out and they said, the narrative that is being said by the Congress is also misplaced, and these are misrepresentation of facts, which Mr. Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah had also spoken about last evening. But with the armed with their own banners, they are contrasting the tenure of UPA and also the Nehru era versus the Modi era, and how much respect Mr. Ambedkar got during the Modi era. The two essential points that these MPs are making is that Bharat Ratna were given to each and every member of the Gandhi family, but never to Mr. B.R. Ambedkar. This is how much respect Congress paid to him, and also he was made to lose election not just once but twice.
So it was also Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday, if you remember Pragya, he put the spotlight on what he called the sins of the Congress party when it comes to the way they treated Dr. Ambedkar, and now it's the BJP which is stepping up the offensive, countering the Congress party, which is constantly accusing the BJP of insulting Ambedkar and his legacy. With that, we step into a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.